Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to go on a hidden mode on WhatsApp. So let's start. First, open the WhatsApp app. Tap on the three dots on top right corner and go to Settings. Now tap on Account. Then go to Privacy. Here you will see the last seen option. Tap on that and select Nobody. And now no one will be able to see when you have last seen the message. If you scroll down a little bit, you will see Read Receipts option. Disable that too. By disabling Read Receipts option, the other person will not be able to know when you are receiving the message, and vice versa. And there is another trick for going hidden on WhatsApp. All you have to do is just simply enable the airplane mode and type in your message. Disable the airplane mode just before you send the message. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.